Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE with only 78,000 miles. This van has a clean Carfax, no accidents, and an excellent service history. It's been Arizona owned its entire life, so it's super clean, rust free, and is in excellent condition. It has been converted by Braun-Ability into a fully handicap accessible wheelchair van featuring a manual fold out ramp at the passenger side sliding door, along with their extra tall conversion featuring a 14-inch lowered floor. It also comes equipped with two retractable Q-Straint tie downs and a seatbelt buckle extender. In today's video, we'll do a full walk around, show you the interior and all the mobility features working, and take it out on a drive so you can see how well it performs out on the road. So let's get started. All right, to put the ramp back up, you can use this yellow stick right here. It's got a little hook at the end, and you can just hook it underneath and lift it up if you wanted to. Or you can bend down, just grab the handle right here, and you'll see that the ramp folds in on itself and closes up. And then just grab the handle, and that's it. Let's do a walk around of the Grand Caravan so you can see their overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go. Do have heated mirrors. Couple little scratches on the moldings down here. It's very common on these vans. They're just so low. Little scratch right there. Couple little blemishes right there on the quarter, and a couple little scratches that have been touched up. The tires are in really nice shape. Plenty of tread left. There is some, it's off, just very faintly. You can see some old writing on here. It's, like I said, it's very faint. It's all gone. But, you know, just a little tiny bit, you can see it, so. Little touch up here on the bumper. Really small stuff, guys. I like to point everything out. I don't want to hide anything. Little scratch right there. So I know I'm pointing out little minor stuff, but the last thing I want is any surprises. So, you know, it's a 10-year-old van with 78,000 miles, so it's gonna have some character, and that's okay. Couple little scratches right here. You can see that. Tires look good, very nice. Plenty of tread left, like I said.
Some very light scratches on this door too. Little touch up right there on the door. But as you can see, it's super clean, guys. Really nice fan. A couple more little scratches down there. Some bug damage here on the front bumper. There's a couple of scratches on the roof. Maybe this person, you know, lived near like a tree or something. So there's a couple little, they're very light, very small stuff, but like I said, I like to point everything out to you guys. There's some light scratches on the hood, a couple little dings too, as you can see. So that is there. Same thing on the hood. There's some very small dings on the hood. You can see a couple. You can see it right there. Like I said, it's not anything crazy, but I like to point everything out to you guys. Little corrosion right here. This is common on these hoods. They all do this. Unfortunately, it's small stuff. Like I said, you can't see it. It's just I'm pointing out everything because, you know, it's just how we do it. We want to be honest.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
Alright, so see here we have some cup holders, some storage for the rear passengers. Seat looks like it's in really good shape. Do have some steps here. These fold down, so if you have some rear sitting passengers, they have somewhere to put their feet so they don't dangle. Some more cup holders and some storage space. On the floor here we do have our two Q-Straint retractable tie downs, as well as a seatbelt buckle extender. So you can see one here and one there. The retractables are a really nice feature. Makes everything super easy and quick. You have two removable front seats, so driver and passenger is removable, whatever fits, you know, your needs the best. So yeah, and obviously we have all of our tracks on the floor, so you can set up whatever thing works best for you. Some other lights light up at night. There's one there and one right here. Do have some rear air conditioning as well, so you can hear that going. All the fan speeds, air conditioning's ice cold. Do have power windows and locks. looks really nice. We have our glove box here. This is cool. It's a little hidden glove box. A lot of people don't know that that's there. So then you have the regular glove box down there with all the manuals. Let's take a look in the back. Plenty of storage space. And here's the jack and tools. A little cubby right there. We do have the rear seats. They do fold down by pulling this tab right here. It's hard for me to do it one hand, but if you look in the pictures, you'll see that they do fold down. Everything works. They also recline as well, so you can recline them just like that too. Over here is our little stick to pull the ramp up, and we have some more storage space. We have some instructions from Q-Straint as well as a lap belt. So that comes with the van. Okay, let's take a look inside. Turn it off, turn it back on for you guys. So the airbag light is on. It's very common on these vans with the handicap conversion because the floor is lowered, so the seats are obviously modified, so that's why that's on. The other thing is obviously my seatbelt. But yeah, it's super common on these vans, so nothing to be concerned about there. Here we have where our headlights switch is. Let's check out everything inside. So roll down the windows, you got automatic driver window. You can see that's working. Let's check out the passenger. So that goes up and down. We do have some rear vent windows as well. You can see those open and close, so that all works. We do have power locks, so you can see those working. All the locks work. All right, let's check out our mirrors. Power mirrors, you see they go up and down, and they go left and right, so that all works. Let me put them back so I can see what I'm doing. And let's check out the other one. Let's see, they go up and down and right and left, so that all works. All right, what else? Let's check out the radio. All right, radio works for you Swifties out there. Check out our air conditioning. Air conditioning is ice cold. Let's go through all the fan speeds. Alright, so all that works. We do have driver and passenger controls, which is nice, and rear controls as well. Down here we have a cup holder and some storage space, a couple of outlets, some power outlets. We have our glove box over here, the shifter. We do have cruise control on the steering wheel, as well as steering wheel audio controls.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road.
that wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.